Okay, so good morning. My name is CJ Lumibo, and today we are going to do our uh, midterms exams. Especially, I will show you the solution for our midterms exams, midterm exam rather. Okay, we have our instructions here. The structure has already been declared here. Mapapansin nyo, andyan na yung I'm sorry, the music is a bit loud. Mapapansin nyo dyan na yung requirements ng ating struct. Tapos, meron tayong menu driven. Ibig sabihin yan, gagamit tayo ng switch. And para sa menu natin. Okay? And other specs, sorting, yung program natin is able to mag-sort based on our student number. And then, i-display niya yung list. Balance report display, student number, student name, course, total fee, total payment, balance, display over. Also, the overall total fee and overall total payment and overall balance. Okay, so, ayan ang ating requirements ng midterms exam. So, let's do it now. First things first, we are going to declare our struct here. Struct, rec, and then I'm sorry, our struct members int stud no car name 50, car course 10, float total f, and float total p. Okay? And then let's declare our struct as an array so that we can accept 15 records. But for the sake of testing, lagay lang po muna natin as 3 para hindi tayo mahirapan sa pag-testing later on. Okay? Mamaya kapag okay na, kapag gumagana na yung 3 and nakapag-sort naman na siya, gagawin natin 15 yan. Para hindi tayo magtagal sa kaka-testing. And then let's declare our void CLS. Para yan sa clear screen natin. Pause. Para yan sa return to upper get ch natin. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan pagta-type ng mga ganyan. Menu. Ayan. Ihiwalay lang natin to ng kaunti para alam natin yung difference. Alam natin yung core void natin. Enter record, void record entry, void search record, void sort, void balance report, void display record. Rec na lang. Okay. Next naman ay yung I'm sorry, guys. Next naman ay yung ating menu. Car CH. Ilang beses na natin ito nagawa. Gagawin ko na lang ulit ngayon. Tapos sa loob niya, CH is equals to menu. And then switch CH. Tapos dito naman na yung mga cases natin. Pero before that, let me just put here our thank you message. Thank you for using this program. \n and printf. Hindi, okay na yan. Kahit yan na lang. Kasi nag-exit naman na yung program dyan eh. Switch case maybe like W na lang. Record entry. Case S. Search record. And then case here, case, no, I forgot to add the break lines. Break B balance report break. Okay. And then dito okay naman na. And we are just going to add our miscellaneous voids. Yun ang tawag ko sa kanila. System CLS. Ayan. And then let's add our pause. Printf \n \n. Press any key to continue. Get ch. Yan. And then let's add in our menu. Car menu. Hopefully wala akong error mamaya. Printf main menu \n and printf W enter records. Printf ano yung search atin? Search pala. Yan. S dito S tapos hindi. Oo nga, WSB. Hindi, gawin ko na lang E. Yan. Tapos R. E search records \n printf R tapos balance report \n. Tapos next naman ay yung sort natin. Tapos yung choice natin here, printf choice WERT and Q para sa quit. Print F. Mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng errors mamaya dahil sa mga typos. And then our return to upper get ch. Next naman ay yung mga core void natin. Ito, lagay ko na lang dito sa baba. Magkakaroon niya ng mga codes. Okay. Ganyan lang natin sila. Ganyan lang natin sila. Ganyan. 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 And then let's call in our CLS and then pause. Copy paste this one. Ito call by reference lang yan. Let's try and see if there are any errors. Mukhang wala naman. So enter. Okay, gumagana. Okay, so sa system CLS natin, here, system CLS, ayan, wala siyang system CLS. Let's try. Yun, okay na. Sort Okay, okay na to. Next naman, ay yung, let me take a second here. Unahin natin yung record entry, okay? Unahin natin yung pag-enter ng record. So, let me take a look at my example. Saan ba yun? Enter record. Saan ba yun? Ito. Okay, so pupunta natin yan. Let's type here int I. Then sa taas then is merong I. Okay. And then dito sa baba, car dummy. And printf record %3d \n I. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, papakita natin kung anong record na inilagay natin. Printf, dito naman, let me see. %d hindi, ito pala muna. Printf %15s %15s and then comma student number. Yan. Printf let's type in the scanf. Scanf %d ampersand comma ampersand comma ampersand record I -1 that stood no. So ganyan. And then scanf %c ampersand dummy. Ayan. So ito yung tatanggap ng space na itatype natin dito. Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng parang error na yung ini-skip niya yung isang prompt kasi meron yung line na naiiwan and then kailangan i-accept yun as a line dito sa ating character. Hindi tayo magkaroon ng error. Okay. So dummy and then printf here %15s tapos name. Scanf naman %up \n tapos %*c. That's it. And then ampersand record. Tama naman, di ba? Record, okay. Record I -1 dot name. And then next naman ay same lang sa kanina. Course naman. And then, ayan, next naman natin ay yung total fee. So, medyo mahaba to. You might want to skip this part. Kasi inaayos ko pa. And then, dito, total fee, diba? So, we are going to use %F. And then, total F. And okay, so may error tayo. Yan. Kitang-kita dito ang ating kahihiyan. Total F, and then next naman ay total payments. Goods. Meron pa bang ano? Let's try and see if there are any errors. Enter records. Okay. Okay, yan. Iba pala yung void na yun. So, dito naman sa record entry, int I is equals to 0, and for I is equals to 1, I is lesser than or equal to, ano yung nilagay ko kanina? Diba 3? 3 I plus plus. Enter record I, and then our pause there. Sige, let's try. Ayan. Student number. Jongli. BSIT, total fee. Okay, so dalawang prompt ang nailagay dito. Ibig sabihin yan, alisin ko to dapat. Okay, so okay na yung sa pag-enter natin ng records. Okay na to. And ang gagawin natin, para makita natin kung okay lahat, i-gawin natin sa balance report. So, balance report, pupunta tayo dito sa baba, and then type natin dito int I. Okay, so int I is equals to 0, float balance is equals to 0, float over all TF is equals to 0, float over all TP is equals to 0, over all B, which is balance, is equals to 0. And then lagay natin balance report. Printf %11s, %27s, %15s, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and %15s, \n. And then let's type in here our text. Student no name, name, course, total fee, total payment, balance. And then okay na dito. Type natin dito sa baba ang ating for loop. For I is equals to 0, semicolon, I is lesser than 15, semicolon, I plus plus. And then, lagyan natin dito, balance is equals to record I dot total F minus record I dot total P. Okay, and overall total fee is equals to over all TF plus record I dot total F. Ayan lang. And then overall TP, or which is in total payments, is equals to overall TP plus record I dot total P. And then sa baba, overall B, which is balance, overall B plus balance. Ayan. Let's check if there are any typos. Okay naman. Okay. Ayan, kinompile ko lang, tinignan ko lang kung may error. Okay. And then sa baba nito, gawin natin tong for printf percent percent 11d percent 27s. Same lang din dito, pero of course ibay natin yung data types. Percent 15s, percent 15.2f, percent 15.2f again, percent 15.2f again, backslash n. Then sa baba, record studno record I dot name, record I dot course, record I dot total F, record I dot total P, and then balance. And then sa baba, printf backslash n percent 58 s percent 15.2f percent 15.2f percent 15.2f again, tatlong percent 15.2f yan, and then total tapos i-connect natin yung mga variables natin, overall TF, overall TP, overall B, overall total payments to overall total payments, fee, tapos balance. And then let's call in our pause void. Hey, let's check for any errors. Close natin to. Are there any errors? Yan. Enter records 333. And then BSCS, and then let's have an example here. Okay, so let's check our balance report. Okay, so isa lang ang lumabas na ating record. Okay. Wait. Tingnan ko nga rito. Ito kasi dapat nasa labas to. I'm sorry. Ulitin natin. Try na lang natin maglagay na ano para mabilisan tayo. Maglagay tayo ng parang random stuff. Try nga ulit natin, pero yung hindi natin ibahin yung student number. Ang alam ko kasi \n na naman yan eh. Okay. Check natin dito. Let's check for some errors here. Dito okay naman yung first record. And then balance. Di ba ito yun? Masyado lang sigurong mahaba. Bakit isa lang? Pakita. Okay. Iusog lang natin to sa baba. I-cut and paste natin to kasi umuulit-ulit siya sa for loop na to. And gawin yung 54 ito instead of 58. Let's try and check. Ayun, okay na siya. Okay. Next naman na gagawin natin ay okay na tayo dito sa pag-display. Okay na tayo dito sa enter records tapos balance report. Next na gagawin natin ay yung sort, which is yung medyo mahaba. I hope you can follow me with this one. Where is the sort? Okay, so dito tayo maglalagay ng mga codes natin. So, lagay tayo dito ng int. Wait, yung music. Lagay tayo dito ng int ts stud, no? Is equals to 0, tapos total fee. Yung letter T sa una dyan, ibig sabihin yung temporary lang. Total fee is equals to 0. Tapos car T name 50. Car T course 10. Int n is equals to 15. Int swap is equals to 1. Ayan. Nga pala dito, lagay natin yung stud, no? Tapos yung I. Then sa pinakataas, stud no lang, stud no. Hindi, mamaya yan. Mamaya pala yun. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Saan ba yan? Balik tayo dito kay sort. Ayan. Again, nandito tayo kay sort. Okay na yung sa clear screen, and then lagay tayo dito printf records are arranged. Then printf press any key to show record. Get ch. And then while swap is equals to 1. Big sabihin nito, mauuna muna yung feedback na nag-sort yung record. Actually, after ng message na to, saka siya mag-sort. Hindi muna mauuna itong si while natin na yung sa sorting. Ibig sabihin niya, mauuna muna mag-show yung feedback. Nag-sort na, pero hindi pa pala. Ganyan yan. Swap is equals to 0. For I is equals to 0, I is lesser than n minus 1, I plus plus. And then if record, condition statement natin, kung si record na stud no, yung nauunang record ay mas mababa, ay rather mas malaki kaysa dun sa susunod, I plus 1 kaysa dun sa susunod, which is yung I plus 1, stud no. Yan. Okay, tayo dito dito na mangyaring sorting. T stud no, copy na lang natin to. T stud no is equals to record I dot stud no, record I plus record I is equals to record I plus 1 dot stud no, tapos record I plus 1, dito mangyaring sorting natin, T stud no. Okay na yan. Next naman, same goes for our next record, which is yung sa name. strcpy tname record I dot name. strcpy record I dot name. Name. Yan. And then same lang dun sa kanina, strcpy record I plus 1 dot name comma tname. Tapos dito same na lang din dito, pero this time we are going to ito, copy paste natin ulit dito. Pero ibahin natin yung course. I think it is course. Ayan. T course nga. T course. Tapos course. And then ito, copy paste lang natin to dito. Then copy paste natin siya dito, +1. And then copy paste natin to dito. Copy paste natin to dito. Yan. Tapos sa baba naman, same lang dun sa kanina. We are going to use total F naman. Tapos yan, total F, copy and paste. Ano to? Dot. Ayan. Let's check. Okay, so next naman ay same doon sa isa. Total payments naman siya. Oh, baka maka-copyright music tayo dito. Search na lang tayo ng Kind Beats dito. Yan. Okay. Ito naman, total payments. Okay, so goods na yan. And then, since may nangyari ng swap, we are going to activate, we are going to change the value of swap into swap is equals to 1. Tapos, saka natin tatawagin si balance report. Let's check for any errors. Meron ba? Wala. Okay, so try natin maglagay ng kung ano-ano dito. So balance report. So ito yung student number natin, 867123111. Hindi sila naka-arrange, diba? So let's try sorting it. Okay. Tingnan nga natin kung tama yung nandito. Hindi ko na ilagay si ano, guys. Sorry. Case T. Ayan. Sort. Break. I'm sorry. Ulitin natin. Hindi ko na ilagay si sort. Enter records. 867. Lagay lang tayong mga random stuff dito. Yan. Balance report. So ayan, hindi sila arranged, diba? So let's try sorting. Okay. Diba yung malabas? So ang gagawin natin, ito gagawin lang natin siyang 3 kasi nga nailagay ko kanina 15, kaya ang mga na-sort niya yung pinaka zero na value. Okay, so let's check again. Enter records, student number 867, name, kahit na ano na lang para lang matesting natin. Ayan. Enter records, search records, balance report. So yan siya. Sort natin siya. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, arrange na siya. base sa record na kung anong nakatay sa kanya. Okay? So, okay na tayo dyan sa part na yan. Let's do our last requirement, which is yung search record. Okay. Punta tayo dito kay search record natin, void search record. Tapos, lalagay tayo ng int studno, which is yan yung paglalagyan natin ng student number na i-search natin. Tapos, position, int p, and then printf, enter student number, scanf, %d, ampersand studno. Tapos ipapasa natin tong value kay search. Ayan. If p is lesser than or equal to 0, or rather greater than or equal to 0, di-display niya yung record natin, disprec, tapos papasa natin yung position. Else printf \n search unsuccessful. Pause natin yan. Tapos, hanapin natin si saan ba yun? Let's check our exam here. Ayun. Lalagay natin dito si search natin. Int search, int studno, int found is equals to 0, which is our flag variable. Int I is equals to 0, while found is equals to 0 and I is lesser than 10 if ito yung linear search algorithm natin, studno is equals to record I.studno, found is equals to 1, else I++. Ayan. While kailangan natin na I++ dito kasi while loop ang ginagamit natin. Wala siyang integrated na I++. And then sa baba naman ng while loop natin, if found is equals to 0, return 1. So may functions tayo dito. Else return natin yung position na yun. Sa baba naman, sa display record natin, itaas natin to, lagyan natin dito printf, ito na yung display talaga natin, student record, printf %20s %3d \n student number. Tapos student number record I, pinasa natin yung I natin dito, kaya alam na ng void na display record kung ano yung kailangan natin i-display na record. studno. Yan. And semicolon. And then sa baba naman, same na lang din. Student number. Name. Tapos dito naman course. Record course dito. And then sa baba naman, total fee. Tapos dito total payments. Total F, total P. Yan. And then di-display niya ang mga records. So this will be percent S. Ito naman minus 50S. Ito minus 10S. Ito 3.2F. And then this one also is 3.2F \n. Okay na ba? Let's check for errors. I is undeclared. Ay, okay. Ito pala, nakalimutan ko ilagay yung I natin dyan. Let's check. Enter records. Ay, okay. Balance report tuloy na ilagay ko. Okay. Let's try to search a record. Ganyan ba? Ayun, meron nga. Let's check another 2, 3, 4. Ibig sabihin ng 2, 3, 4 na yan, yung search unsuccessful, wala yung 2, 3, 4 doon sa students na nilagay natin. Ayan, si 3, 4, 5 meron. Okay, so since okay naman na tayo sa testing, gumagana naman na yung W, E, R natin and T, ito gagawin natin 15, okay? 15, lahat ng makikita yung for loops dito, gawin yung 15 ang nakalagay. Maski yung number of items, gawin yung 15. While found is equals lesser than 10. Dito naman, gagawin nyo siyang nasa na ba yung mga yun? Ito, gagawin yung 15 yan. Ito, 15 din. Ayan, okay na ang ating exam. Actually, yun lang yun. Medyo mahaba-haba kasi midterms exams nyo to. And I hope may natutunan kayo. Itong code na to, I do recommend na gamitin nyo sa mga susunod na activities natin. Okay? Kasi, ayan, kinape-paste na lang natin yung activities dito. Ang gagawin nyo na lang, i-edit nyo na lang. Yan. So, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.